Hello. Well, this is Yoga Mat again at Yoga Mat Academy. This is about food, cooking, learning about food, learning how to cook properly, learning how maybe we'll get into growing food if you're interested in that. I'm a vegetarian today. Who would have ever believed it? In fact, I'm really a vegan. I have almost no dairy whatsoever. We have parsley over here growing. These are cold weather crops, really. They seem to grow in the wintertime or in the wintertime. This garlic and kale. We have lettuce that's starting to grow. The kale's in its infancy here. We have raspberry bushes and blueberry bushes and apple trees. We're trying to grow peaches. Very difficult. It's always a contest between the insects and the animals. Everybody's got to eat, you know, but it's fun. And this is all natural. We're organic here. We don't spray anything. Even the driveway that we have, that's a gravel driveway, I do not spray with anything other than vinegar and water and salt and a little bit of soap. And you got to learn this stuff. I knew nothing. I had to learn all of this stuff. So that's what I want to teach, so that you can be healthier than you've ever been before in your life, so that you can have a happy life. Feel better, think better, look better. That's what it's all about. Enjoy your friends, enjoy your family. Try to make a positive difference in the world. Cooking classes will help. I'll teach you how to wash grains with using a pressure cooker. We'll use the minimal amount of utensils to begin with. You may want to buy more and more and more as you get going, so that you can really enjoy the cooking. And then when you go into a restaurant, there's always food you can find. As being a vegetarian, there's always something that you can eat. But you want to find a quality restaurant. We eat home a lot. When I was a young boy, we ate home all the time. So did everybody else. So that's the only way to be healthy. You know the ingredients in your food, and you know what you're doing. So join me, Yoga Mat, a Yoga Mat Academy. Have a terrific time. Who knows? Maybe we'll come up with all these recipes and we can start a cookbook. It's amazing the people that you connect with and all the wonderful things you can do. The thing is, we got to take that step forward. Make a difference in our lives, make a difference in other people's lives, make a difference in the world. In a positive way. One of my dogs, there he is, he's eating some of my food is what he's doing, or the fertilizer or whatever. Anyhow, I actually do my own composting and worm farming, and I've just, because it's more and more and more interesting. The nature is incredible. The food that you grow yourself, when you can get your own food, is like, why doesn't food taste like this in a supermarket? So I want to teach this so that you can start to understand why we gain weight, why we don't feel well, the whole 9 yards of how this experience works the best I can. So join me, Yoga Mat, at Yoga Mat Academy. Looking forward to working with you. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. And please go to the next video, which is where we're going to discuss what it costs to do this. All right, thank you very much, folks. Have a wonderful day. Bye.